Stop chasing clients, because the more you chase, the more they run. What if clients started coming to you instead? In today's video, I'll show you how to create demand, so people want to work with you before you even pitch. Most people sell first and give value later. That's backwards. Start sharing valuable content, tips, insights, solutions. Teach what you know. When people learn from you for free, they start trusting you. And trust creates demand. Don't act like just another freelancer. Position yourself as a specialist. Instead of saying, "I design websites," say, "I help e-commerce brands increase sales with high-converting design." Specific positioning makes you memorable and desirable. People don't trust claims, they trust results. Show your work, share case studies, before and after results. Even small wins matter. Proof removes doubt and increases demand instantly. One post won't change your life, but showing up daily or weekly builds authority. And authority attracts clients automatically. Stop chasing, start attracting. Create value, build trust, and let demand come to you. If this helped you, hit subscribe and start building your brand today.